In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva Docs to create beautiful proposals. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing we're going to do is open Canva and we're going to click right here on Doc. This will automatically open up a blank document that you can use to create different things like reports, proposals. But since today we're going to be focusing on proposals, I'm going to go ahead and search right here on the left for different templates. After you type in proposals, you're going to get so many different templates that you can use. Canva Pro gives you access to a lot more tools. If you guys want to check that out, we're going to leave a link down below. And here you have it. This is an amazing proposal. I think it's pretty neat, pretty aesthetic, and that you can use to send to your clients or potential clients. This is another one that I found really interesting. So what you need to do is to search around which proposals you like, and of course to change all the templates and all the words that you see in it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.